Neuro nurturing. How attuned are we to the finest frequencies of Mama Earth, to nature? A beautiful question to ask ourselves is, how are we in alignment with nature, which is ourselves, our beautiful spirit? When we choose to be in alignment with Mother Nature, this activates our divine feminine energy, our Kundalini energy, and in turn connects us deeply to the intricate cycles of nature, the seasons, the moon cycles, and our beautiful, incredible inner cycles ourselves. So, a beautiful question is, how can I get more attuned and aligned to Mama Earth, to nature?